Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom, there lived a kind and wise king. The king had everything he needed: lots of money, a big palace, and a loving family. But what made him happiest were his two sons, Henry and Lucas. They were twins, but they were very different from each other. Prince Henry was the older twin. He was very hardworking, and he always listened to his father. If the king gave him a task, Henry would complete it with care and never complain. The people in the kingdom liked Henry because he was kind and always helped others. Prince Lucas, the younger twin, was very different from his brother. He didn't like to work, and he often lost his temper. Lucas didn't listen to his father's advice, and he would spend his days wandering around, doing nothing useful. This made the king sad, because he wanted both his sons to be good and responsible. The king often worried about Lucas and what would happen to the kingdom if he didn't change his ways. The people in the kingdom noticed the difference between the two princes, and they began to wonder what the future held for their land. The king knew that he had to find a way to help Lucas become more like his brother Henry. But for now, the king loved both his sons very much, even though they were so different. He hoped that one day Lucas would learn to be responsible like Henry, and they could both rule the kingdom together, making it a place where everyone could live happily. As the years passed, the differences between Henry and Lucas became more and more clear. Henry was always busy, whether he was helping in the palace, talking to the people in the kingdom, or learning new things from the wise men in the court. He enjoyed making his father proud, and he tried his best to be a good prince. Lucas, on the other hand, did not care much about his duties. He would sleep late and avoid doing any work. When the king asked Lucas to do something, he would either ignore the request or do it poorly. Lucas spent most of his time playing, riding his horse aimlessly, or getting into trouble with other boys in the village. This made the king very worried. The people in the kingdom also noticed how different the two brothers were. They respected Henry because he was kind and always helped them. When they saw him, they would smile and greet him warmly. But when Lucas passed by, they would shake their heads and wonder why he didn't care about his duties. The king loved both his sons, but he often felt sad when he saw Lucas wasting his time. He knew that Lucas was a good person inside, but he didn't know how to make him see that being a prince came with responsibilities. The king wanted both his sons to be good leaders for the kingdom one day, but he worried that Lucas would never change. The kingdom continued to thrive under the king's rule, but the differences between the brothers made everyone wonder what the future would hold for the land and its people. One day, while Henry and Lucas were out riding their horses, they came across a small village. In the village, they met a young girl named Anaya. Anaya was very beautiful, with a kind smile and gentle eyes. She lived in a small house with her parents, who were very poor. But despite their poverty, Anaya was always cheerful and helped her family with everything. Henry was the first to notice Anaya. He saw her carrying a basket of flowers and offered to help. Anaya smiled and accepted his help, and they walked together, talking about the flowers and the village. Henry was impressed by how kind and hardworking Anaya was, and he started to visit the village more often just to see her. Lucas also noticed Anaya, but instead of helping her, he tried to impress her by showing off his fancy clothes and talking about how rich he was. Anaya was polite, but she didn't seem interested in Lucas's wealth. She continued to be kind to both brothers, but she felt more comfortable with Henry, who treated her with respect and care. As time went on, both brothers realized that they had fallen in love with Anaya. Henry loved her for her kindness and hard work, while Lucas was attracted to her beauty and wanted to win her love at any cost. This created tension between the two brothers, as they both wanted to marry Anaya, but they knew that only one of them could have her. With both brothers in love with Anaya, they began to compete for her affection. Henry continued to help Anaya with her daily tasks. He would bring her fresh fruits from the palace gardens and spend time talking to her about her dreams and hopes. Anaya enjoyed Henry's company and felt that he understood her and cared for her deeply. Lucas, on the other hand, tried to win Anaya's love in a different way. He brought her expensive gifts, like jewelry and fine clothes, thinking that these would make her like him more. Lucas would also boast about his wealth and the power he would have when he became king. But Anaya wasn't interested in the gifts or the wealth. She valued kindness and honesty more than riches. The more Lucas tried to impress Anaya with his wealth, the more she drifted towards Henry, who made her feel happy and respected. This made Lucas angry and frustrated. He didn't understand why Anaya preferred Henry, who didn't have as much to offer in terms of wealth. Lucas began to feel jealous of his brother and started to think of ways to win Anaya's love, no matter what it took. As the competition between the brothers grew, the tension in the palace increased. The king noticed the rivalry, but didn't intervene, hoping that his sons would resolve the matter on their own. Meanwhile, Anaya found herself in a difficult position, as she didn't want to hurt either brother, but knew that she had to follow her heart. The king soon learned about his son's affection for Anaya and decided it was time to step in. He knew that both Henry and Lucas were in love with the same girl, and he didn't want this to cause trouble between them. So, the king invited Anaya to the palace to discuss the situation. The moment of truth arrived as the king gathered his sons in the palace hall. Henry and Lucas stood side by side, both eager to hear what Anaya would say. When Anaya arrived at the palace, she was nervous but determined to be honest. The king welcomed her warmly and told her that she had to make a choice. The king gently asked Anaya to speak, and with a calm and steady voice, she announced her choice. He asked Anaya who she wanted to marry, and explained that her decision would be respected by everyone. Anaya took a deep breath and thought about the two brothers. Anaya said that she had chosen to marry Henry because he was kind, responsible, and always treated her with respect. She explained that she valued these qualities more than wealth or power. When Henry heard this, his heart filled with joy. He smiled at Anaya, knowing that she had made her decision based on love and understanding. Lucas, however, was shocked and disappointed. He couldn't believe that Anaya had chosen his brother over him. His face turned red with anger, but deep down, he knew that Anaya was right. Lucas had tried to win her love with gifts and wealth, but he hadn't shown her the same kindness and care that Henry had. The king listened carefully as Anaya explained her choice. She told him that, while Lucas was a good person, she felt that Henry was the right one for her because of his kindness and the way he made her feel safe and valued. The king nodded, understanding her reasons, and prepared to announce her decision to his sons. The king, seeing the emotions on his sons' faces, comforted Lucas and told him that Anaya's choice was final. He reminded Lucas that love cannot be bought, and that true love is built on trust, kindness, and understanding. Lucas nodded, trying to hold back his tears, and left the hall quietly. The news of Anaya's choice spread quickly through the kingdom, and soon the preparations for the wedding began. The palace was decorated with flowers, and everyone in the kingdom was invited to celebrate the marriage of Prince Henry and Anaya. The people were happy because they knew that Henry would be a kind and just ruler, and they were glad that Anaya would be by his side. On the day of the wedding, the palace was filled with music and laughter. Anaya wore a beautiful dress made of silk, and Henry looked handsome in his royal robes. The king blessed the couple, wishing them a life full of happiness and love. The wedding ceremony was grand, with everyone in the kingdom joining in the celebration. As Henry and Anaya exchanged vows, they knew that they would always support each other, no matter what challenges they faced. The people cheered, and the palace echoed with joy. Lucas watched the wedding from a distance, feeling a mix of sadness and regret. He knew that he had lost Anaya's love because of his behavior, but he also knew that it was time for him to change. After the wedding, Henry and Anaya started their new life together. They were happy and content, knowing that their love was based on trust and respect. The kingdom rejoiced, knowing that they had a future king and queen who would care for them and lead them with kindness. As the days went by, Lucas couldn't stop thinking about everything that had happened. He realized that his anger and laziness had cost him not only Anaya's love, but also the respect of his family and the people in the kingdom. Lucas felt ashamed of how he had behaved and knew that he needed to change. Lucas started to spend more time with his father, listening to his advice and learning about the responsibilities of being a prince. He began to understand that being a good leader meant caring for others and working hard, just like his brother Henry. Lucas also thought about how he had treated Anaya and regretted not showing her the kindness she deserved. Determined to become a better person, Lucas decided to change his ways. He started waking up early and taking on tasks around the palace. At first, it was hard for him, but he kept trying, knowing that he needed to earn back the trust and respect of his family and the people. Slowly, Lucas began to feel proud of his efforts. He realized that working hard and being kind made him feel good inside, and he started to see the world differently. Lucas knew that he couldn't change the past, but he was determined to make a better future for himself and the kingdom. Lucas continued to work on improving himself every day. He took on more responsibilities in the palace and started helping the people in the kingdom. The villagers were surprised to see the change in Lucas, and they began to respect him more. Lucas felt happier than he had in a long time because he knew he was doing the right thing. Lucas also started to spend more time with his brothers Henry and Anaya. He apologized to them for his past behavior and asked for their forgiveness. Henry and Anaya were happy to see the change in Lucas and welcomed him with open arms. They knew that Lucas was sincere in his efforts to become a better person. The king was very proud of Lucas's transformation. He saw that Lucas was now taking his duties seriously and that he had become a kind and responsible prince. The king knew that both his sons would be great leaders one day, and this made him very happy. Lucas's journey of self-improvement wasn't easy, but he never gave up. He knew that he still had a lot to learn, but he was willing to work hard and keep trying. Lucas understood that true happiness comes from being kind, responsible, and caring for others, and he was determined to live his life by these values. With Lucas's transformation complete, the royal family grew closer than ever. Henry, Lucas, and Anaya worked together to make the kingdom a better place for everyone. They listened to the people's needs and made sure that everyone was treated fairly and with kindness. The king was overjoyed to see his sons working together in harmony. He knew that the future of the kingdom was in good hands, and he felt at peace knowing that both Henry and Lucas would rule with wisdom and compassion. The people of the kingdom also felt safe and happy, knowing that they had two great princes who cared for them deeply. Henry and Anaya continued to live happily together, and Lucas became a beloved member of the family. He never forgot the lessons he had learned and always tried to be the best person he could be. The bond between the brothers grew stronger every day, and they knew that they could always count on each other. The kingdom flourished under the leadership of the two brothers, and the people lived in peace and prosperity. The story of the two princes and the poor girl became a legend, teaching everyone the importance of kindness, hard work, and the power of redemption. And so, the kingdom remained a place of happiness and harmony, where everyone lived together as one big, united family.